gonna do the off-road route 30 miles. Not all off-road, probably only about half, maybe 40 to 50% off-road if I was to guess. Off-road section. Gonna get pounded to death. One little bit of ruts. Figure I have about 2 hours before it starts getting dark, so I don't think I'll make the whole thing in the light. Should finish the off-road section in the light though. Hi. Hello. Come on.
Been down here before?
No.
I'm like, where the heck is this guy going? Just taking the dogs for a nice little walk.
Those are some big dogs.
Yeah, Bernese Mountain Dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's only a year and a half, that one right there is 2.
Really?
Yeah, 2 in a year.
Oh wow. Still young.
Yeah, that's why he runs, because he's curious,
Yeah.
you know, but
Yeah.
they're good.
Yeah.
Enjoy, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Beautiful, kind of.
Yeah.
I was really surprised.
I've been on this part. I hadn't been through here. I guess I've
Oh,
been
you've
through
been
here.
through here?
Yeah.
How do you get to this way?
You know where the road that goes out to Vancouver Lake over
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
It comes off on one of the corners.
You're kidding me. We walk this all the time.
Oh.
I'd never seen this being open right here, so I was like, we're gonna walk today.
Yeah, I just discovered it, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Come on, boys, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, thanks. Cruising down into the power lines, making good time already. Saw a coyote in this area one time when I came through. First time I came through. This is only the 3rd time I've come through. The road's gonna get much worse than this. This is a nice road here. Not the best camera view going this way because the sun's beating down. Another dredge pit. Back to the main road again. Not too much debris in my bike yet. So this is just a short out and back to the lake, and then a little jaunt out to another disabled duck hunter spot. I haven't seen anybody out there yet, so I'm pretty sure there won't be anybody out there now. So right out there real quick, and then come back this way. Rough, but it's good.
Where you drive from?
Just downtown Vancouver.
Oh,
Yeah, just riding around out here. Yeah.
No, that's what I was telling these guys, man. I used to come down here all the time when I was a kid.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. Water's real low right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really settled. Look at that.
Yeah,
Looks like glass.
yeah, it is.
Nice day for a bike ride.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
A lot more leaves found than even 2 days ago. Fall's coming quickly. Whoa. Gotta watch out where I'm going. Just saw a big pheasant. Yeah, the water seems even lower than last time. Yeah, it's low, low. I'm gonna be heading right over there, where you can see. No time to waste. Returning back on the road I came out on to the lake viewpoint. Really isn't any other roads that I know of to get out of here, so it's an out and back. There is another off-road section over here to the right. I rode out on that once. It's pretty rough, and I thought about doing it. Probably be okay. It wouldn't save any time, and I'm already running short on time. And I didn't have the trail marked anyway. It would be a little bit tough to follow. Back on the new section. There's I guess that's a heron so far. A pheasant and a heron and a lot of other miscellaneous birds. No coyotes yet. Wouldn't rule that out though. It'll cut through. Bike path only, foot and back path only. Legs aren't really moving today. The wind is nice. Here's where that other off-road section would come out. It doesn't really save you much. If it came out further down the road, it would be up the road here. It'd be worth it. A long stretch on the road before we get to more off-road. Have to get to Vancouver Lake Park. The weather is really nice out right now. I'm still dressed warm because I think it's in the lower 50s, but man, with that sun beating on me, it's pretty warm. But I like it. It'll get cold in another hour, I think. Looks like people fishing over here on the right. Just charged my main headlight, so if it gets dark, it should still be okay. Although I don't want to be in the off-road section when that happens, when it gets dark. It's off the beaten path. Okay, cruising through Vancouver Lake Park. This is where I was looking across the lake earlier. One of them. It's dark fast. It's already cool in the shade. Squirrel. I guess that counts as an animal. This trail's kind of fun. It's still pretty smooth. Don't want to hit anybody though. Hi. Like that. Oh, that was hit a stump. These tires aren't the greatest for this. They want to slide out in the leaves, and so I took it wide and ended up being a stump there. a lot longer than I thought it was. Remembered it was. Oh, here we are. Alright, get ready for the crazy section now. See if I can get out of this field, or out of the main field. It's a little soft here. All right, made it. Here's a nice view. Hopefully I don't disturb any hunters. So let's throw them. Oh, that's pretty bumpy and looks bad. But I have a feeling it gets worse. From rough road to rough ground. Beautiful out here. I like it. Be better with my mountain bike, or as far as roughness, is a little bit rough. It's not too bad though, in this bike. Get into the rough section. Wow. Gonna get weeds all over me. Stickers. Oh. Yeah, I thought out with the big stickers. My tires aren't super thick. Ouch. You're just grabbing my foot. Overgrown pothole. like a sinkhole. We're getting to the end of this madness. Branch will drop my glasses off. Some kind of animal out there. Could be a coyote. Too far away to tell. Suppose it could be a deer or two. Covered in weed. I'm pretty sure it's a coyote. I'm sure it's too far away to see in the camera. There's the biggest tree right there. Yeah, that tree's massive.